Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it seems like more and more, even when you're in the great outdoors, you have more and more things you need to make sure they have a charge. So this MARBERO power station was such a lifesaver. Now, we went camping in Yosemite, and my family likes to sleep on air mattresses, and before we would always have to take it out of the tent, bring it to the car or the bathroom where they had an outlet, and to air it up. It was very cumbersome, and this made that task so much easier. Charged it up ahead of time, which it didn't take very long to charge, and then you could just bring it in the tent, air it up whenever you needed to, and you were good to go. I love how easy it is to select where the power is coming from. It has the outlets, which once you turn it on, you have a little button that looks like a little plug. You click on that. Now it's ready for you to use the outlet section. Then it has the USB station. It even has a USB-C and a DC out. So that's good for charging any of your devices. Anything that needs to have power, this thing is going to do the trick for you. It also has an option. It has the DC in. It has a normal outlet charging cable, but it also comes with an option. If you do have a solar panel, you can connect it to this part right here. This is so nice and small and compact. It can easily fit in your backpack if you're doing backpacking, and it also comes with this light option, which again, it has a button that looks like a light bulb that you can click on. It has different brightness options and an SOS flashing section. Again, if you're taking this backpacking and you get trapped or in danger, you can use that. It really helps you to enjoy the great outdoors along with your electronic devices to capture these beautiful moments. So I think this is a great thing to have in anybody's camping bag, backpacking bag. You definitely will not regret it. I haven't, and that's my point of view.